Hello everyone, this is my Lego train that I built. As you can see, it's pretty dirty from me failing attempts of that. I finally figured out a Lego bridge that I can make. And this track is pretty big. It's in my backyard. Don't want to knock the remote. It's pretty big. I might do a tutorial if this gets 12 likes. That's all I ask for, 12 likes. I'll do a tutorial. Or at least like one like. Well, or just one comment. It's based off one of the newer models of actual trains in real life. I had to have quite a few trains to build it. I had to have the cargo train, city train, the other cargo train. So basically a bunch of parts that are from mixed sets. Probably around 5 sets I had to mix to get this, and there's some stupid freaking annoying person that's interrupting the video. Like, stop it. And working. I can show it. Stupid dumbasses talking. See? Okay. Let's go down around 3 clicks of the regular remote that comes with the train stuff. I don't know, would it be easier just to use one of the remotes that you have to order? It might be, I don't know. Oh yeah, it also has lights that's controlled with the blue stick.